Chrysanthemum morifolium, bohemine, Mentha haplocalix, Buplorium falcatum, burdock seed, Arctium lapa, or western diaphoretic herbs such as mint, Mentha piperita, lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, feverfew, Chrysanthemum parthenium, elderflowers, Sambucus canadensis, and catnip Nepeta cataria. Next, wind heat condition. Wind heat conditions, Lonicera and Forestia combination, yin, qiao, san, is used to disperse wind heat. It clears acute inflammatory symptoms and relieves toxicity. It is indicated for symptoms of fever with slight or no chills, headaches, thirst, cough, sore throat. The pulse is floating and rapid, and the tongue has a thin white or yellow coat. Yin Qiao is commonly indicated for the treatment of influenza, colds, coughs, acute bronchitis, upper respiratory tract infection, measles, and other eruptive skin diseases, epidemic parotitis, mumps, acute endometritis, and early stage encephalitis or meningitis. Wind heat. Wind heat, Morus and Chrysanthemum combination. Sangjuyin is an external cooling diaphoretic formula which has similar indications to Yin Qiao. In Ayurvedic medicine, sweet basil, oxymum, basilicum tea is used, while in Western herbalism, elderflowers, Sambucus nigra, mint, Mentha piperita, yarrow, alchiliae, millifolia, and boneset tea, Eupatorium perfoliatum are given. Internal syndromes. Internal syndromes describe conditions affecting the vital energy, blood, internal organs, and bone marrow. These conditions can be hot, cold, excess, or deficient. In general, internal tends to represent a more chronic pattern, while external is acute. TCM teaches that internal diseases can be caused by the 7 emotions: joy, sadness, anger, grief, melancholy, fright, and fear. There is a physiological relationship between the emotions and the immune system, which is of tremendous importance. Negative emotions tend to make us vulnerable to chronic disease and vice versa. Other factors which cause internal diseases include improper diet, trauma, and bites by animals or insects. Internal wind refers to diseases that affect the nervous and circulatory systems with joint or muscle spasms, spasmodic pains, tremors, epilepsy, coma, and apoplexy. As with all differential diagnostic treatments, a unique treatment approach may be necessary based on individual combinations and variations. Big Pearl for internal wind, Da Kling Feng Soup for internal wind with prostration, chronic convulsion caused by yin deficiency. Internal heat includes symptoms of constipation, acute abdominal pains, abdominal sensitive to deep palpation, internal inflammation, nervousness, and restlessness. The pulse is deeper and more rapid. The tongue is scarlet with a dry yellow coat. Some pathological conditions include cholecystitis, hepatitis, urethritis, cystitis, and nephritis. Alternative heat clearing, antibacterial and antiviral herbs with a bitter flavor are used. White tiger decoction, Baihu Tang, for symptoms of high fever, aversion to heat, severe headaches caused by fever, red complexion, deep, rapid, and possibly full pulse, scarlet tongue with a dry yellow coat. It is used for children's fevers, encephalitis, epidemic meningitis. Coptis and acute combination, Wang Lian Ji Du Tang, is used as a general detoxifying formula. It is employed for infections and inflammations, high fever, irritability, boils, dryness of the mouth and throat, insomnia, spitting of blood, nosebleeds caused by excess heat, and cancer. Anman combination, Baito Weng Tang, clears heat, relieves toxicity, and is used for bacterial and amoebic dysentery. In Ayurvedic medicine, Neem asadirachta indica and Gotuchi dinospora cordifolia powders can be used. In Western herbalism, a combination of Echinacea, S, golden seal, Hydrastis sedanensis, Aparal Larea bebericata, and garlic, Allium sativum, are used either as a powder or alcoholic extract. Okay? Internal cold, manifest symptoms of coldness with a decided preference for warm food and drinks, pale complexion, loose stool, pale urine, clear mucus discharges, low vitality, apathy, and slow speech. The pulse is deep and slow, around 6 or less beats per minute. 60 or less beats per minute. The tongue is pale with a white coat. Herbs for internal cold include ginger, gingiberis, officinalis, cayenne, capsicum, luticens, black pepper, peppernicrum, prepared aconite, Aconitum preparatum, cinnamon, mum, cassia, cloves, Caryophyllus aromaticus, deer antler, Cornucervi epimedium, E. grandiflora, Ecomia bark, E. pulmodis, and Dipsacus D. asperi, which is used to help relieve back pain, and Cistanches rhocondrum, which further helps lubricate the intestines and promotes peristalsis.